Everybody got to ride it. We ripped the tire completely open. I went by the shop, the guys gave me a little bit better tire, so this tire is like an official MX tire. It's sturdy. I took it for a ride yesterday. Burning it down a little bit, but I've been having fun with this bike in the dirt, so I'm just gonna keep it fresh. Might even put some street tires on it later. We might even get some more YCFs. I just want y'all to see how this bike goes because it's a good bike. I believe in it. It's been fun as fuck. I've been wanting one for like the past 2 years. Finally got one. Ready to take a blast in the woods. Got a little BMX track over here. Boys put together years ago. Biz behind the cut. Nice little pit bike track. It's slow and then it's fast, so it's a little tricky, but whoa! Whoa!
Ecco lo vedo.